everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will learn how to create Windows 10 recovery USB with your personal files. So it's always recommended to have a recovery disk because we will never know when our system is not booting up or when it doesn't turn on. So if you ever want to reinstall Windows or fix your computer, then you can recover your files if you know how to do it. So just follow these few simple steps that I'm going to show you, and please make sure that you finish watching this video till the end. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to go to our Windows search tab and type the recovery drive. Under best match, please make a right click on it and then click on run as administrator. And then this user account control will come up on our screen. Just make sure that you click on yes. And in here, this recovery drive window will be up. So create a recovery drive. Even if your PC can start, you can use a recovery drive to reset it or troubleshoot problems. If you back up system files to this drive, you'll also be able to use it to reinstall Windows. Now, make sure that you check this option that says backup system files to the recovery drive and then click on next. Now, the moment you click on next, it will start preparing the drive for you and it might take 2 to 3 minutes. So let's just wait for this to finish. And if it may take longer, then I'll just say to you, or I'll just tell you the process on how to do it. So if ever you have a 16 gigabyte storage of your USB drive, that is good because the minimum storage that a USB drive could have once you do this process is 8 gigabytes. So 16 gigabytes or 32 gigabytes storage of USB is recommended. And once you reach the process wherein you have to choose for the USB, please make sure that you choose the right USB that you are using. And after doing that, or after selecting the USB that you are using, please click on the create button and you have now created a recovery drive for your important personal files. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.